Sa isang relasyon, ang tanging hiling ng mag-asawa ay ang maging masaya, mapayapa, at mapadama sa bawat isa ang pagmamahal. Ngunit, nang dahil sa tukso,
Sino ngon? Sino? Ngon good bubay? Ay ngon, katabang nami. Katabang mayo or katunga mo sangbana mo? Char!
magiging masalimuot, ang buhay na kanilang inaasam-asam.
Ano yung plano mo kanak?
Side ko sana, kuan. Kasado kami ng asawa ko din. Yan yung gabuhi kanak. So, kung magbuhakan ko yan, sino pa magbuhi kanak? Ang banda kay, yan lang yung kapakaan kanak, talan ka supporta ng kanak mga needs.
Sunan ha? Gamit lang ka ni grade ako? Ha? Sunan ka lang.
Ato ko gikan,
Pero minang ako manipanaw.
pagchika lang yan sa mga barkada.
Chika, sa mga barkada makauli sa bayo, ako makauli.
Nasa magabot ka.
Mabot ako, kasama ko. Oh.
Ya, paano nang gani?
No,
Ilan na
nasa
sa-
uli pa ko. Kumana ko kali.
Hanggang sa may mangyayaring isang trahedya.
Uy, di gani. Ang wasit ang gani gani. Hala!
This presentation will discuss the procedures of crime scene processing.
Ay, pagawin eh.
The first to notice the crime will automatically report the scene to the authorized personnel. Upon arrival at the crime scene, protection of the crime scene, markings, photographs, collection of physical evidence, and release of the crime scene. Upon the arrival of the first responder. The first responder checks victim's condition, survey the scene, and take notes about gathered information. The first responder shall be responsible for the control of the crime scene. The first responder informs the SOCO team to investigate further. Scene of the crime operation team. It is a forensic evidence response team engaged in the evidence collection process. They are the only persons allowed to enter the crime scene to prevent destruction, alteration, or contamination of evidence. The SOCO team is composed of team leader, photographer, sketcher or recorder, evidence collector, evidence custodian, and fingerprint examiner. The team leader will coordinate with the first responder. The team leader is also responsible for recording and taking notes of the time and date of the arrival at the crime scene. The team leader approaches the victim and conducts a walkthrough at the crime scene. The team leader conducts a briefing for the whole team. The SOCO team protects the area by cordoning off the crime scene. Note, the purpose of the cordon is to provide a highly visible barrier and protect the scene against potential damage and contamination. The team leader asks for the presence of the first responder to join the conduct of the search. Before entering the crime scene, The photographer photographs the whole crime scene for the general view. Upon entering the crime scene, the SOCO team should logbook first. Proceed to the crime scene search. The team uses the strip search method in searching. The strip method, also known as the lane search method, is a systematic technique used in crime scene processing to ensure a thorough search for evidence. While searching, the team put markings beside the evidence found and the photographer photographs it. The team also searches outside the golden area to look for possible evidence. The letter is for the cadaver and the numbers are for other physical evidence. Case number, date and time are also indicated. There is a scale to measure the size of physical evidence. He also measures the distance of the physical evidence from the cadaver. The sketcher is also responsible to sketch the rough sketch of the crime scene. The evidence collector collects the evidence. The blood sample shall be swabbed using a cotton buds and put it in a sealed container. Get the fingerprint of the victim and puts it in a sealed container. The evidence collector tags and puts label on the evidence. Turnover of the evidence. The evidence collector turns over the pieces of evidence to the evidence custodian by signing in the turnover receipt. Evidence custodian preserves the physical evidence. Team leader conduct the final walkthrough before releasing the crime scene.